In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App bank declined payments. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So to stop Cash App from declining payments, just do as follows. So first, you want to ensure that you have sufficient funds because one of the primary reasons for declined payments on Cash App is insufficient funds in your Cash App balance or linked bank account. To prevent this issue, make sure that you have enough funds available before initiating a transaction. The next step you want to do is to verify your personal information because outdated or incorrect personal information can also lead to declined payments. So, to avoid this, ensure that all your details, including your name, address, and phone number, are accurate and up to date on your Cash App account. Third is to confirm your card details. So, if you're using a debit or credit card for payments on Cash App, double check that the card details you have entered are correct. Next is to check for potential fraud alerts. So Cash App prioritizes customer security and may decline transactions if potentially unauthorized activity is detected on your account. So if you receive a notification about a declined transaction, just review it carefully. So fifth is to contact Cash App support. So if you have tried the above steps and still experiencing payment declines, it is advisable to reach out to Cash App support for assistance. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.